It is December 1st, and honestly, not much has changed in my house. That is still a pile of clean clothes. The bed needs to be made. That has not went anywhere. Dirty clothes. Clean clothes. That room's a little bit cleaner. This stuff still needs to be taken back up to the attic. More dirty clothes. The struggle is real, people. Laundry never ends. And toilet paper, so people can't put on the thingy. This is a box of stuff to get rid of. Decor still needs to be finished putting out. I will definitely be taking care of a big portion of this mess today, so come back tomorrow to see a nice clean house. And as always, if you would like to see longer videos or what my whole family is doing the month of December, go check out our vlog channel.